guys, thank you for looking at this channel again. This is the Porsche 356 sports car. This car was built in the 1950s, and this is one of the most luxury Porsche ever built during the 1950s. And all the detail on this car is so great. The pattern on the seat, look at that. If you look through the camera, this is very much like, even though this is plastic, but the details on that is so good. Look at that. You can probably see quite clear. And look at the steering wheel. So beautifully. The engine in the back, so. Engine, I would say not the best, but they just got main part. And detail wise, not very much. Grill, they're using just the stickers. The front, mainly the front is using just basically for a boot. One wheels. The wheel is quite smooth. Any suspension? Have a look. Hardly any suspension. Hardly any suspension on both sides. Is that car smooth? We have a look. The other car is quite smooth. You know what I'm thinking of doing? I'm thinking about drive the car probably about 10 miles per hour, kick some kind of string and pull this car along and see how well can this car cope. Let me know if you want to see that. So probably do that one the weekend.